Welcome to the quick guide for the Rolloy Compact Master. Step 1. Unlock and unfold. Open the box and stand the rollator on the ground when you received it. Unlock the folding lock on the seat. Then, hold hand grip firmly, pull up and outward in opposite directions until fully extended. The lock line confirms secure rollator. Step 2. Adjust height. Press and hold the button while pulling the hand grip upward, ideally level with your wrists. Step 3. Attach backrest and bag. Insert both ends into the mounting points and test for stability by pulling on the backrest. Pull out the expansion links on both sides of the seat above the front wheels. Locate the mounting clips on each side of the bag and attach them to the expansion links. Step 4. Rolling the walker. Try to roll the walker slowly on a flat ground. To slow down or stop, gently pull both brake levers upward. Lock the rollator before sitting on it. Push both brake levers downward until they click into the lowest position. Step 5. Fold and lock. To fold the rollator, lift up on the seat handle. The rollator can now be folded completely and secured by pushing the hand grips to the center together. Then, lock it. Step 6. Transport with ease. To transport the rollator, grab the folding lock and lift it up, or you can just grab the handle grips with ease. You can also place it in the car trunk or store it under the table. Now it's time to enjoy your new journey.